Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the active specification. It's this car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1 litre VTI engine that gives you 68 horsepower. The car's done less than 7,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.